So, warm good afternoon to all of you. See, at the outset, the end of the fifth day, we've come to a closure of this 5-day FDP sponsored by ATL and AICTE in association with KCG College of Technology, particularly the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So, as we look back how the journey of how we have organized this program and how fruitfully it has come, it would be apt to hear from the convener of the program. So, may I request Dr. Dhanalakshmi, Professor CSC, KCG College of Technology, to give a brief report on this 5-day faculty development program.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all. We have come to the end of the day, day 5, and we have successfully completed all the 5 days. And this training program, AICTE Atal FDP, sponsored by AICTE, and this is an initiative of AICTE, and of course it is another milestone of AICTE aimed at fostering the quality education across the technical institutions, imparting research and innovations. This ATAL was formed in 2019 to 20, and of course this COVID situation have made ATAL as an online program. And by AICT there were 13 thrust areas which was given to us, such as AI, blockchain, cybersecurity, 3D printing and design, quantum computing, data sciences. There were 13 thrust areas, and we were given some guidelines also how this has to be formed, what are the topics that has to be included. Guidelines were given by AICTE, and based upon the guidelines we have designed this ATAL FDP. And during the year 2019 and 20, there were 186 ATAL FDPs that were conducted, but all were conducted offline, inviting people, inviting resource persons to the college, inviting the participants to the college, providing them accommodation, all these things. And this, because of this COVID condition, 2020 and 20 to 21, of course, there were 5,000 applications which were received by AICTE, and nearly 497 applications were through, and we are one among us. And this in Tamil Nadu, it was across all over India, and in Tamil Nadu there were 34 FDPs, online FDPs, which were sanctioned, and including Anna University. And this among the thrust areas, 34 from Tamil Nadu, and among this 13 thrust areas, there were 9 FDPs, online FDPs, which were conducted in blockchain, 9 FDPs in cybersecurity, and of course with artificial intelligence and data sciences is the highest with the 24 FDPs. And like this, the journey of our AICTE ATAL online FDP went like that. And we had all these 5-day sessions fully packed, and all the resource persons were handpicked, who are really working in this field of blockchain. And we planned like having all the technical sessions in the morning and all the application sessions in the afternoon. And when we talk about the technical sessions like smart contract, IOTA, Corda, blockchain 4.0, Hyperledger, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, all these were real developers, real academicians who were working in this field, and only with the help of them we were able to do this program. And I think I have done the job well, well, and it was a very nice learning experience what Atal has given me. And of course, conducting this program in online is bit tough. Anyway, with the support and cooperation of all the participants, with the support and cooperation of all the resource persons, we were able to make this program. And that's all is my journey about report about my FDP. Thank you, sir.
So thank you, ma'am, for this report. Hope the conveners as well as the department needs to be congratulated for organizing a very systematic and very useful program like this, particularly during the lockdown season, and where people need to connect online with so much of academic responsibilities amidst academic responsibilities and other responsibilities in their own organizations. So they have come together to listen to this 5-day FTP. So let us hear from the participants. Though the participants have given their online feedback and daily feedback was also collected, we would like to listen to a few of the participants, their live feedback. So any volunteers to give the feedback, may please uh, advance yourself and unmute and talk. You can introduce yourself and say a few words. So limit yourself with a few words and what are the nuances and what is that to be appreciated and what is that need to be suggested for improvement. You can say all such things. May I request the participants to unmute and talk to share their feedback.
Yeah, yeah.
May
Good
I know
evening
your
to one and all.
may I know your
Yeah, yeah.
names?
I'll introduce myself. Yeah, I'll
Yes.
introduce myself. Yeah, good evening to one and all. This is Dr. Vetri Velan from VIT Chennai campus. So I thank coordinator and the college for given opportunity to attend this 5 days workshop on thirst area that is named blockchain technologies. So really, it is a very systematic way they organized and arranged. Even though it is a pandemic situation, they've accommodated. All our queries, and then and there we got a clarification, and thanks for wonderful coordination to the team. And with respect to technical aspects, we have really enjoyed a lot from both the academia and industry persons in terms of this particular blockchain technologies. And only one suggestion, probably one or two hands-on session may be planned in the in later stage. May that may help participants to acquaint with that particular domain and continue their works maybe in the later stage. So I work in this particular domain for a long time. Like I do guide my students, PhD scholars in this particular domain with respect to IoT context. So thank you for this opportunity. Once again, I congratulate all the the coordinator of this particular workshop and the entire team. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Vetrivelan. Before we continue with some more feedbacks, let us listen from our principal, Dr. G. Prabhakaran. He's here joining with us this afternoon to deliver the valedictory address. Over to Dr. Prabhakaran.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Praveen. Indeed, I'm just listening right from the beginning. It's very interesting. That too, I appreciate the efforts that has been put by the Department of Computer Science in right from the applying for this 5 days FDP and got successfully sanctioned by ASAT, and that too, by putting all your team efforts cohesively, you were able to come to a stage of culmination with this validatory function. Indeed, I am very happy when it was briefly described by the coordinator of this program, Dr. Dhanalakshmi, and really it gives immense pleasure and happy that it has went well. And I strongly feel that just the sample of this feedback from the faculty from VIT, I could able to have a feel that how this the content delivered by packed delivery by the resource persons in these 5 days would have definitely kindle them to have a taste on this, and then they would have made them to think how further this could be they can take a lead to help their institute students and also for their own growth. With these few words, once again, I thank the opportunity to address you all, and I wish that every participant would definitely make use of this. A lot of takeaway should have been definitely there, and also I wish the department once again for successful conduct of this event. Thank you, organizing committee. Once again, thank you to all.
Thank you, sir, for those encouraging words and the kind of support you have been rendering for the organization of this particular program. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay,
So
welcome.
at this juncture, we must also thank all the others that will be covered in the vote of thanks. However, as I said, we'll take some more feedbacks before we move on to the next agenda. May I hear from some more people the feedback about this
Good
FGD?
evening.
Yes,
Good
please.
evening.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Dr. Janani from Loyola ECAM College of Engineering.
Yes.
I would like to thank the coordinators first. And first of all, my sincere thanks to Dhanlakshmi ma'am. Initially, I was not into this, joining this because I had my work schedules. And then she said, like, definitely you have to join in. And seriously, like, I would have missed a big session in case I wouldn't have joined. It's really, really nice. And like, it was one big session that everyone should really get into this. And definitely I would maybe I could share these videos if permitted to my students, so that whoever is interested in projects related to blockchain will be a really helpful one. One maybe one problem that we face is like we had lot of content. Maybe if we could have extended for another 2 3 days, then it would have been much more useful for us. That was the only thing that I feel. Other than that, the session was really useful for us. And one such session, maybe an extended version of it, if it is offered, we would really join. And thank you all the coordinators for your untiring work for all these past 1 week and the week before, wherein you have been planning all this. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you, Dr. Janani, for your feedback. So we understand that particularly people who are coming from the affiliated colleges of Anna University, they had a tough time this week having the final year project Viva, the examinations and the internal assessments all
True.
set up their regular work schedule. So you have taken time to come and listen to these sessions very attentively. That's well appreciated. Thank you very much. Anybody else? Anybody else? Can we take some feedback from people who are not from Tamil Nadu? There's other from other states.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Professor, please. Dr. Ashok, your video is still, it is getting freezed.
I hope
yes,
I'm
yes,
audible.
Now it's audible. Yes, now you're audible. Yes, please continue.
Fine, sir. I heartily congratulate the conveners and the authorities of the college. So they have systematically organized the workshop. So this definitely shows how we can, if we work in a team, how the systematically the things can be put in place. So I really appreciated the way you people have conducted. You identified the good resource person and the way these organizers have interacted with the participants to facilitate what they needed. So they have taken every care they have taken. Systematically they have organized. Even though maybe while conducting the workshop, personally they may not be benefited, but definitely conducting such workshops definitely will be very much helpful for the growth of the institute, and this will really help in brand building of the institute. So maybe in the coming most of the times what happens, like feedback will be normally taken to only praise the how the things have been conducted and all. So none of the most of the times negative feedbacks will not be given. But as of as per my knowledge, in this workshop none of the negative points I just could find found. But like the other things, only one suggestion is in most of the FDP also I have attended, and we are also were regularly conducting the workshop FDPs as a researcher and as a research guide. I conduct, I just used to guide in the same area, and if you could be able to give the recordings, that will be more helpful, because in between this busy schedule we could be able to miss some sessions. So if you could be able to provide these recordings, this will be helpful for us, and as well as to our students as well. So this is the feedback from my end. Once again, I just thank Dr. Dhanlakshmi madam and the other authorities also. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Professor. Your affiliation, where are you from?
I'm from Karnataka, sir. Basaveshwara Engineering College, Bagalkot. I'm working as an associate professor. I'm currently guiding 5 research students.
That's good.
And 2 of my research students have already submitted the thesis. And this, I was new to this security area, but my area of work is wireless networks mainly.
Thank you, Professor, for this feedback. Maybe continue to get one more feedback from an industry person. There are any personnel from industry?
Sir, myself, Dr. Anil Kumar,
Yes, please.
give the feedback. Otherwise, I fail my duty of expressing that this was a very wonderful organization of the faculty development program. Even I attended the Birla Institute of Technology Blockchain Faculty Development Program. Next, I chosen the KCG College FTP on blockchain technology. I felt that the college KCG is not less than in any aspect, and a very wonderful organization of the topic, and the resource persons has enriched into the knowledge and the industrial inputs and the research inputs. They have given wonderfully well, and definitely I am of the opinion that it has motivated all the faculty members. If you give a chance and ask all the participants, every participants will say on the same line what I am saying. In that way, fantastically you have organized. And we know only some of the people name, like Dr. Praveen and Dr. Dhanlakshmi. Not only for these two people, all of them, they have excellently cooperated. Our special thanks to Dr. Dhanlakshmi Madam and Praveen Sir, because I reached them and I got good inputs and cooperation from them. With respect to the technical inputs, it is excellent. And in future also, if any IFDP is conducted, we feel like attending, and it is a very good memory for all of us for being attended. Definitely, such memory will take us to not only sentimentally well, but also professionally well. I thank you one and all for supporting all the participants and facilitating. I thank the principal of KCJ College. I thank the management. I thank all the organizers. Once again, my special sincere thanks to Dr. Dhanlakshmi Madam and Praveen Madam. Thank you very much, sir, for giving the opportunity to participate. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Arun Kumar. We'd like to give at least one participant from the industry. Anybody is there? Anybody from the industry attending the program? Could you please share your feedback? They're not here. Okay, so as some of the participants said, the material for the program, the PowerPoint slides, and even the videos we can share. However, the organizing team will be in touch with you until you get a certificate generated. So they will be definitely able to share in the same platform or even some other means. The material will be circulated so that we assure you of that. And also we would like to continue this network. We'd also like to continue this network and the knowledge sharing process. Feel free to interact with each other, maintain this community of this knowledge sharing, technically sharing knowledge across various institutes and industries. We can make it possible through this FTP. So please continue this network and share information and share whatever is related to blockchain in this WhatsApp group, and you can keep that group live even furthermore. So with these words, let me invite our head of the department, Dr. Krishnamurthy, to propose the vote of thanks.
1 minute, Dr. Praveen sir, thank you very much
Yes.
for extending the same WhatsApp group for existence. It's really wonderful. It is nice to note that institution like you are providing this opportunity without breaking the further chain. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Dr. Praveen sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm audible?
Okay. Yes, you're audible, sir.
Okay. Good evening to all. It is my privilege and pleasure to propose vote of thanks. On behalf of management, principal, faculty, and the entire student community, and my own behalf, I extend a very hearty and vote of thanks to AICTE Atal gives us an opportunity to conduct this FDP blockchain technology from 21st to 25th September 2020 in our campus KCG College of Technology through online mode. Once again, we thank the AICTE Atal for giving this opportunity. I thank from my bottom of heart to the management, in particular to our director, Madam Dr. Annie Jacob, for her continuous and constant supports towards this FDP. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to our principal, Dr. G. Prabhakaran, for his encouraging words towards this conduct of event. We have been fortunate to have some of the eminent persons from industry and academia in the area of blockchain technology. I'm also very grateful to all the speakers for placing your important work and sharing with us your knowledge as well as wisdom to the entire community of FDP participants as well as to our faculty members. The participants, they were very enthusiastic. As some of the participants they mentioned, they are very good. We are constant enough, continuously attending this workshop. We need this much of input like this. As and when an FDP comes to an end, they will be go off. But even then, people are asking about all this video as well as a content and material, since they want to impart the knowledge so far what they acquired to the research scholar as well as the students. So definitely, I will congrats the enthusiastic participants in this FDP. I'm thankful to all the participants for attending this FDP through online mode. I'm sure that the participant must have benefited by attending this FDP. Not like look like logical, it's a physical one. The coordinators, Dr. R. Dhanlakshmi and Dr. S. Shankar. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling weeks ago and successfully completed this week. So my heartfelt congratulations to both of them. As an initial note in the inaugural function, I mentioned a block of knowledge in the chain of 5 days has been transmitted to the receiver. Being a participant, you are all treated as a receiver. The resource person, they are all treated as a transmitter. With the help of our coordinators, I think you all received the enough potential power pack knowledge to the blockchain technology. Okay. Last but not the least, my heartfelt thanks goes to all our faculties who are second coordinators, even though the other two are frontline coordinators. The second coordinators, that is in Tamil, they used to say, Irandam Katta Thalaivargal. Normally, we used to say, Avanindri or Anuvum Asayadu, like without our colleagues, the second level coordinators, without their constant and consistent work, nothing will go in a positive note. We have been fortunate enough to be backed with a team very motivated and dedicated colleagues of CSC who know their jobs and they are result oriented. How best they can able to conduct this FDP for the benefit of participants. So definitely they have executed on their part without any single lacuna. So in this regard, once again, I thank you all for conducting this FDP in a successful manner. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor, for proposing the vote of thanks. Indeed, it is a teamwork. So it is the efforts of every individual in various committees. And really, it could have been much more difficult when we could have, if we would have organized it as an offline program inside KCG College of Technology campus. And you could have also appreciated our hospitality and other stuff. You could have had a personal touch with all of us. But let us hope that soon the pandemic will come to an end and we'll be able to meet for another program within the portals of KCG College of Technology, so that we wish each other that we may have programs in our campus we can cherish by looking at the faces of everybody, have a nice time with some culturals and other stuff as a part of our program. So making it more interesting and more lively and more much better than what could be done online. However, thank you for all your for your participation, and hope you have all filled up the online feedback form on the Atal portal, and the certificates will be generated once we load in the marks and other stuff like attendance and other stuff. So with this note, we will conclude this program. Have a nice day. Please stay blessed and please stay safe. Let us conclude the program by singing the national anthem. The national anthem will now be played and shared on screen.
We request all to kindly stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता